Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can use this text wrap with object menu. So what's actually text wrap? Let me give you a brief description. So here I have this paragraph and I want to put the shape on the top of the paragraph. So I can use the text wrap so I can get the size for my shape. So let me show you practically. If I want to put this shape on the top of the text, on the top of this paragraph, so first I'm going to change the color here, and here with object menu we have this text wrap, so I'm going to click on make. As you can see on the top we have the offset for this shape and also on the bottom, and I can get my selection tool so I can move it anywhere on my paragraph. Not only that, you can apply this text wrap for this rectangle shape, but you can apply it on different shapes. So here let me show you. I'm going to make this ellipse by holding Alt and Shift. I'm going to draw this and I want to put this right here, and I need to apply this text wrap. So I'm going to click on make. So as you can see, so the next thing with text wrap, we have this release. So I can click at that. When you click on released, so now it's released, so this text wrap is not applied for the selected object. And if I want to apply this again, so I'm going to click on text wrap for the selected shape. So here I'm going to click on make. And here we need to fix something with this text wrap, which is really important, the offset. As you can see with the rectangle shape on the top, on the bottom, we have extra offset, and we need to fix this. We need to make this perfect offset. So I need to click on this text wrap options, and here we have this offset. Before I want to set the value for the offset for this object or for this shape, so here let me show you the invert wrap. So if you check this option, so it's going to invert this wrap for the selected object. I don't want to use this option, but if you need that, so you can use this for your selected shape. But I need to set the offset value, so I'm going to increase that. Okay, now we have 21, 22, and I'm going to hit OK. So now we have the perfect offset value set for this rectangle shape. So this is how you can use this text wrap option. And the really important thing with text wrap is this offset options, that you need to be careful about that when you're going to add this value for selected shape, because you need equal offset on the top, on the right, on the left, and also on the bottom. But sometimes if you move your shape, as you can see the offset here, it doesn't fit with my shape, so I need to move this. So now this of the offset for this shape is look perfect, as you can see. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to use this text wrap with Illustrator. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.